here, we'll take a look at SUI all the way back from October of 2023. And I think that this is your 5-wave moves to the upside for your wave 1, right? We'll put this as the minuet wave. And then we have your ABC correction to the downside, a 3 down in your A, 3 up in your B, and then a 5 down within the C wave. Okay, and then we have another 5-wave move to the upside for your wave 3, right over here, and you have a little bit of an extension within the 5th, and a very similar ABC correction to that of what we had back in 2024, right over here, down to, so from February to August. Very similar correction, and now we're moving up again. So now what it looks like over here is that you can see over here the same structure where we sweep the adjacent low, and then move above the highs, move above these highs, which we had. However, we do have 5 waves over here on the hourly. So like if we take a look at the hourly time frame on SUI, this is our 5 waves up right here. Okay, so you have your wave 1, your wave 2, your 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and this is likely a subwave 1 of your wave 5 to the upside. So it would actually be on the micro degree. So taking a look at this on the 4-hour, we could see here that we did come up to the 78.6% fib. Now, what I've noticed in crypto is that the wave 5 can also be a B wave. Like for example, this could be your A down. This is your B up, and then we come down for a C wave toward any of these fibs, or back down to these fibs at the 50 or the 38.2% fib for the C wave. What you can also do is take a trend-based fib to this. Okay, so you may come down like this. Okay, it would come down to any of these fibs here. And in order to invalidate this move down, all we would need to see is just a 4-hour close above $14.14, $4.14, which is the 78.6% fib measured from these January highs. Okay, so remember, we're still within our wave 5 to the upside. This is our wave 1, likely coming down for a wave 2 before we have a wave 3, 5 of your macro 5th. Now going up here is just take a look at the higher retracement levels on the linear scale. Okay, so we're looking at 743, 773, and $8.01. Then we can also take a trend-based fib to this from the bottom of our wave 1 to the top of our wave 3 and down to the bottom of our wave 4. And we can see here the 702 perfectly lines up with this 2.618. So I would say that this over here, you can take a good chunk and right over here for your wave 5. So it would look like this. So this is your wave 1, your wave 2, your 3rd, 4th, and then you come up for a wave 5, which would only be confirmed if we can see a move above this 702 level here. Right, and then the subwaves would look like this, like something like this. So over here would be a good TP from 735 to 790, and then 1080 to 11. And then don't forget the subwaves right here. In order to invalidate more downside, like I said, I just want to see a 4-hour close above $4.15. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you guys in the next one.